Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another video. Last week I went to a Halloween party with this, and of course, one thing led to another, me being dumb. This was before I drank anything. This came home, I got a ride back, so don't think I went out drinking and driving and all that crap, but I did some launches, did some ripping, broke another axle.
Oh my god!
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I just broke an axle.
Did you? I felt it.
So today, we're just going to do a quick axle replacement, and let's get to it. Luckily, I still have a few axles left, but I only have one front and one rear. So looks like I got to go and restock up on some spare axles, because I don't like to use reman ones. I only like OEM ones because they last way better than remans. So let's swap that thing in and get to it. So correction, this broke in two spots. One spot I've never seen break before. Gone. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna hang this one up on the wall. Hey babe, I need your help run something real quick. Hold up.